Hello kids, how are you? Welcome to back your YouTube channel Kids Club. Today we will do something new. Today we learn to draw a house. I hope you like this video. So, are you excited yet? Okay, now start and keep watching the video. Let's enjoying and drawing. House is our basic need. Every human being needs house. Even animals, birds also live in house. It's really very beautiful house. Do you like painting? Now we choose green color. Very nice. Excellent. Good job. Very beautiful. I feel like going there. Now it's complete.